Hello everybody, this is Anno from MacTech, Machine Technology of MacTech. Today we still continue to introduce our self-lock panel. Now we'll introduce the self-lock panel locking. This our design is especially very nice locking with more than 10 years development from different kind of designs and improvements. You can have a look. These two panels joined together. We just press here, and these two panels will look very smooth and tight. And especially the locking area is very small and slim. Also, the locking and the area is much equal, so it can make the locking very tight. This is a very special and very sensitive design from the machine with a key part, and also it can show the technology or your quality of the machine, because most of the other panel of this kind of panel cannot be slim and stronger like us. Thank you.